Hello students, welcome to the class. In the previous class, we have discussed about the preventive medicine. In this class, we are going to discuss about the concept of community health. Community health is a part of medicine which is concerned with the health of the population of a specific geographical region and the prevention of diseases from which it suffers. As we look into the community way of life on the globe, certain communities are suffering from a specified diseases which are only confined to that particular community. Community health emphasis on reducing these type of conditions in that communities. Take for example, in northern Karnataka, there is a problem of arsenic, or the drinkable water are not safe. So many wells are depicted with these water is not safe for drinking because it is contaminated with the arsenic. There is a depiction which may be depicted upon the walls of the well, but the people have no other options. They have no safe water drinking. Because of that, they are suffering from scurvy. In this situation, in this juncture, community health play a vital role in creating healthy habits. Apart from healthy habits, it may work like a linkage between the institutions, those who are willing to give their humanitarian hands or sponsorships with the community. Community health is the linkage between institutions and the community. Apart from this, as I earlier told you, in the regions of Chikmagaluru and Shivamogga, there is a disease called KFD, Karnataka Forest Disease, a simple viral disease, but it's a catastrophic also. It's in local language it is called as monkey fever. This disease is only confined to western Ghats of Karnataka as well as some parts of coastal areas of Karnataka. In this type of diseases, prevention of these type of diseases is well organized people and the obligations of the community to encourage healthy practices and to reduce the intensity of these kind of diseases. The community health has its own propaganda to preserve the health condition of certain areas. It diagnoses the health conditions of the community and examines which diseases are important, which are given more priority, which can be prevented, etc., and organizes effective control measures. As I earlier told you, community health is nothing but having certain surveys, studies, data collection, assessment, analysis and conclusion writing. Which diseases are very rampant in this area, how could we able to reduce this intensity, how could we able to prevent the diseases to prevailing in community. These are the things need to be answers by the community health. Then what are the objectives of community health? As we earlier discussed these things, the objective of community health is to provide need-based comprehensive services include the following: promotion of protection of health, that is primary level of prevention, early diagnosis and treatment and control of further spread of the disease, that is secondary level of prevention, control disability and rehabilitation, that is tertiary level of prevention. You could say that community health has tri-level of prevention. First we need to identify the disease and promotion of the health practices in the community. Then early diagnosis may reduces the intensity of spreading of disease. This is the main thing. Control of disability and rehabilitation is the tertiary level of prevention. How we are going to reduce the intensity of the disease or creating an awareness among the community people in spreading the disease. As we earlier discussed these things, safe drinking water, safe disposal of waste materials, maintaining general cleanliness, immunization of children, targeted interventions. Take for example TB program, leprosy elevation program. These are the targeted interventions. Good nutrition, health checkup, periodical health checkups may also help us to prevent the diseases. Mass screening, early diagnosis and mass treatment. Health education may also help us to improve the community health in a given geographical area. These are the things that we are discussing today. Hope you understand properly. Thank you.